Bullish Arweave cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $41.59 and $90.58 by 2030. Market investigators accept R could reach $41.59 by 2025. Bearish Arweave market cost expectation for 2022 is $7.39. Arweave presentation. In the developing crypto market, new players are continually coming in, each with their contrasting essential, applied premise, and works. These variables alongside exchanging volume and the market cap proceed to deliver their always fluctuating costs, like R's cost. Exploring through the crypto market to create a wise speculation can be troublesome, however conceivable. This requires one's own exploration to be continually creating and enhanced by specialized investigation given by specialists. One likewise must be continually checking the current endlessly cost forecasts. Observing these cost expectations assists you with bettering comprehend the future direction, assisting you with making a drawn-out cost forecast. What is Arweave? The Arweave network is a decentralized information stockpiling organization. It is a novel blockchain-based stage that empowers long-lasting, secure, and effective information stockpiling. The local badge of the Arweave network is R. The Arweave network was sent off in 2017. The fundamental point of the Arweave network is to give a super durable and control-safe information stockpiling stage. The Arweave network depends on blockchain innovation. The information put away on the Arweave network is permanent and can't be erased. The information put away on the Arweave network is encoded and must be gotten to by the information proprietor. It is developed on top of a spick and span blockchain engineering called Blockweave, which gives a state-of-the-art agreement cycle and token monetary model that urges network clients to cooperate to give long-haul information capacity. A safe, versatile, and financially savvy information capacity choice is presented by the Arweave convention. In June 2020, the Arweave network turned out to be live on the fundamental net. The organization's stockpiling and recovery capabilities require the organization's local token, R. Like Bitcoin, the confirmation of work technique is utilized to mine R tokens. Arweave specialized investigation. Arweave is a decentralized, super durable, and boosted information capacity organization. It is based on top of the new blockchain engineering, the Blockweave, which empowers a clever agreement system and token monetary model that boosts network members to team up in giving extremely durable information stockpiling. The Arweave convention gives an information stockpiling arrangement that is secure, versatile, and practical. The local badge of the organization, R, is expected to utilize the organization's stockpiling and recovery administration. R tokens are mined through a proof-of-work instrument. Excavators are compensated with brand new R tokens as well as a piece of the exchange charges related with the information put away on the organization. The Blockweave information structure utilized by Arweave is like a blockchain, yet for certain significant contrasts. All things considered, they are connected together in a lattice-like design. This takes into account each block to reference different past blocks, which empowers the organization to accomplish high throughput and adaptability. Arweave's agreement instrument depends on proof of work. Nonetheless, dissimilar to Bitcoin, which utilizes energy-concentrated mining to get the organization, Arweave utilizes a clever calculation called confirmation of access. This calculation considers excavators to be compensated in light of their stockpiling accessibility and organization availability as opposed to their computational power. This outcomes in an all the more harmless to the ecosystem and reasonable agreement component. The Arweave network is intended to be long-lasting and permanent. Information put away on the organization is scrambled and spread across various hubs. This makes it impervious to oversight and altering. Moreover, information put away on the organization is recreated and supported, guaranteeing that it will stay open regardless of whether parts of the organization go disconnected. The Arweave convention gives many elements that make it an appealing answer for information capacity. First and foremost, it is efficient. Information is put away in a packed configuration, which lessens capacity costs. Besides, it is secure. Information is encoded and spread across different hubs, making it ultra-safe. At long last, it is versatile. The Blockweave information structure empowers the organization to accomplish high throughput and versatility. The base cost is the most minimal cost at which a cryptographic money can be purchased. This is additionally called the base cost level. In making an Arweave estimate framework, this worth must be continually changed as unconstrained spikes cause vast changes. The greatest cost is the greatest cost at which a cryptographic money can be sold. It is likewise alluded to as the most extreme value level or greatest cost esteem. Very much like its partner, least cost, is a vital worth to be continually observed. The typical cost is the typical cost of a cryptographic money. This is additionally called the normal exchanging cost or the normal cost esteem. This is typically determined over a period which is generally the range of 24 hours. Arweave current cost. Arweave is presently worth $9.24 USD. R has moved 1.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,919,879. Arweave is presently positioned 103 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $318,298,920 USD. Arweave Value Expectation 2022. Arweave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The R cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $13.86. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $12.94 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. R is supposed to have a base worth of $11.09. Arweave Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Arweave R cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of R will before long outperform $23.11. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the R's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, R will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $18.48 and a typical exchanging cost of $20.33. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $32.35 and R might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. R is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $29.58 and a low of $27.73 in 2024. Arweave Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Arweave effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the R coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, R will be green in 2025. The R is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $41.59, with a base cost of $36.97 and a typical cost of $38.82. Arweave Value Forecast 2026. After some broad guanching and specialized investigation, we gauge the R cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $48.06 by 2026, with a base cost of $46.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, R has a most extreme value worth of $50.83. Arweave Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $57.30. On the off chance that R figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $60.08, neglecting to accumulate